Test your knowledge with this quiz. Let's go.
Question number 1. Which of these fruits is karuz? Is it the apple or is it the cherry? It is the cherry. Karuz refers to the cherry. Question number 2. Which of these fruits is moz? Is it the banana or does this word mean strawberry? This one was the banana. Moz is indeed the banana. Question number 3. Which of these fruits is anab? Is it the grapes or does it mean orange? Nice try. This time it was the grapes. Anab means grapes. Question number 4. Which of these fruits is burtukal? Is it the apple or could it be the orange? You guessed it, it's the orange. Question number 5. Which of these fruits is farawila? Cherry maybe? Or is it the strawberry this time? Strawberry is the correct answer. Farawila means strawberry. Question number 6. Which of these fruits is tufah? Could it be the apple or is it the banana? That's right, it's the apple. Tufah stands for apple.
Thanks for watching. Watch for Arabic videos by qualified teachers. Test your understanding with the free online quiz, link in the description. Watch more vocab videos with attached exercises for free. Until next time, take care and keep learning.